Almost had you there, didn't I? Hey, it's Talish from Printify, and what's one of those holidays that always seems to sneak up on you? I said no jump scares, come on! I have a delicate heart. That's right, it's almost Halloween, and with the spookiest part of the year just around the corner, it's time to get ready. So we're gonna look at what you can do to prepare. And to make sure you aren't taken by surprise either, hit that subscribe button and follow us for more content about print on demand. Halloween creates a big opportunity for online sales. 55% of parents do their Halloween shopping online as opposed to going into a store. And 2/3 of shoppers use social media as a gateway for those Halloween purchases. So with a little prep, you can definitely carve out a slice of those sales for yourself. First things first, it's time to scare up some new inventory. Designs that set your products apart are obviously the backbone of your brand. So creating limited run themed products have the added benefit of showcasing your authenticity. They prove the originality of your brand and what it has to offer. And in the world of e-commerce, originality is everything. Making sure that your pricing is on point for these products is also important, especially if you're planning on offering seasonal sales or discounts. So listing higher price points for themed products early enough is key to making a profit. It'll even allow you to build in additional perks like free shipping. And don't forget to create some purchasing deadlines as well. Not only will it highlight your offerings, but also create urgency to increase those sales. But new products and sensible pricing won't matter much if you're not driving up traffic, which is why it's also great to set aside a budget for running ads. A time-sensitive holiday like Halloween means making your products known in advance. Give people enough time to find out about those exciting new offers before it's too late, and keep those product keywords specific to distinguish yourself from competitors. If something isn't selling, play around with the keywords to narrow down the options. Remember, the keys for successful Halloween sales are creativity, specificity, and planning. Building that buyer persona means essentially asking, what are you drawn to? What hobbies do you have? The music you like, trends you love. But when you tie in a holiday like Halloween to that process, things also get a little more fun. Witches, monsters, trick-or-treating, haunted houses, and most important of all, candy. Combining these elements with the niche you sell to makes your brand more appealing, like pumpkin print pillows for home decor, or witch-themed swimwear if you sell surf gear. If you're having trouble figuring out where to start, Printify has got you covered. Check out our special free Halloween design pack. It gives you 10 designs you can get on products and start selling right away. And tag our Halloween GIFs on your social media to gain traction for all that new inventory. So, what are you going to make first? Maybe something for the folks who are looking for an easy costume, like a monster-themed face mask to go trick-or-treating, or a cute t-shirt to wear to the office or throw on for a party. Maybe you want to focus on the kids instead and create custom tote bags for all those treats. And for the collectibles, how about a specially designed mug? The point is, you've got options. Halloween isn't age-specific, and there's a lot to get out of it, no matter who you are. But more importantly, it's an opportunity for those who want to stand out. So wherever you decide to take your creativity, there's money to be made. Take advantage of what's available and don't ghost on your chance to have a good time. Being able to dress things up is the best part of the fall holiday season, and that doesn't just go for your costumes. Have those Halloween themes ready in time to trick out your store and social media. But most of all, don't be afraid to put yourself out there having fun too. Because it isn't just the merch people like seeing, it's how much effort you put into having a great time. And if you had a great time with this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a like. And keep those smiles coming with Printify.